Alright, Christina just landed. Apparently she got to sit next to the pilot that was piloting the airplane yesterday. And she told Christina that the whole situation was terrifying. They heard like a gunshot, very loud, and then the window cracked, or they noticed the window cracked with that sound. I don't know exactly what happened. I'm gonna wait for, to be with Christina to ask her and see, get more details about that whole ordeal. Alright, I am at the airport now, but Christina's bags have not come out yet. So I guess I'll just cruise around, have a couple laps around the airport and just wait for her. Christina's bags are out. Yeah! Ooh, I see the Shinny Weenie. I miss this so much. Tell me everything about it right now. Like, you sat next to her and what did she say first? Like, what's the most important thing that she said?
The pilots ended up having splinters of glass on them. Oh! Honey, that looks a little dangerous.
Okay, so what do you wanna...
How can I take this?
Okay.
Ooh, pretty.
You didn't see it there?
No.
It was sitting on the dashboard all the time.
Very nice.
Yeah. The little...
Finally!
Yes, my lovers! Come here, you.
I didn't think it was that perfect. I really don't want to be on camera.
Why not?
Look at me!
You look so hot and pretty and gorgeous. Mwah. Christina's a little hungry. I'm starving. We're gonna go to Ceviche, which is a Peruvian place where they have really, really good sushi for happy hour. And we're gonna do that. Okay. Today is October 31st, which means it's Halloween, which means I get to wear a costume. I'm not the kind of guy that dresses up with makeup and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, I would like throw on a nice, funny shirt or some little detail usually in Halloween. I don't like to dress up too much. It's almost the end of the year. And all these holidays are coming, Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's, Halloween. And I think this is a good way of start, giving into that good positive vibes and happy spirit. Today I have a few things planned. I have a spectacular potluck with my office. I'm going to try to go before to a store to get something. It's 10:28. I think I can do it. I saw this contraption that a guy in YouTube made, and it's a way of me being able to see the screen, see what I'm seeing. Right now I just kind of guess where I'm positioned. I know I'm in the middle of the screen, but if I wanna, let's say, move and point at something, I don't know what I'm like, where I'm really at in. I'm gonna link his video in the description below so you can see it for yourself. If you have a Sony Alpha 6000, it's very, very handy. Okay, let's go. You don't do that. Hi, how are you? Good. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Bye. I only found the cardboard and the X-Acto knife. I'm gonna go back to my office and buy the things for the padlock now. I bought a sheet of cardboard. I don't know if it's the right thickness. I think it should be a little thinner, but it's the thinness they had, so we'll have to work with that. 2 pairs of gloves for the glue, and this is the lady called it X-Acto knife, but that's how it looks. ¿Qué hora es? 11:37. Creo que voy a ir a comprar el helado. Nazca, I gotta go. Yeah, I have to go. Come here. Where are you at? Vamos. Bye bye. Nazca. Nazca. I know, you don't want me to go, but I have to go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Vamos. Nazca. Nazca. Let's go. But something I've noticed here in Miami is that nobody really dresses up for Halloween, which is weird to me because living in San Francisco, on October 31st, you wouldn't come out of your house and go like 5 feet without seeing someone that was dressed up. I don't know why they don't do it here though. Right now it's perfect weather to do it too because it's nice and cool. So I don't know. Napolitan ice cream. Yeah. Let's get one of these. Cookies and cream. Let's get the cookies and cream. Yeah, there's no one dressed up, but it's okay. People have a good spirit about it though. I got actually complimented by a Coast Guard. Kind of like pound it. And I told him that they should know that they're the real Supermans because Coast Guards are amazing, man. They really risk their lives every day here in Florida to just help people that are in distress. If that's what you do for a living, helping people, it's the best thing you can ever do. So yeah, if any Coast Guard out there sees this, I would really love to go on a little fly on those red helicopters, by the way. They're really cool. I think I forgot my cell phone at home. Probably Christina has been calling me for a while. Hopefully she hasn't been like blasting my phone with calls. One thing for sure, it's I'm starving. I ate a little bit at the potluck, but not that much, so I'm actually very hungry. Sorry honey if you've been calling me. Oh, there's my super girl right there.
Busy today.
How are you?
I'm the Messiah. I set the microphone on fire.
You're not gonna. No.
Wow!
I'm about to throw that camera down the
Amazing Taco Tuesday! It was a super Taco Tuesday, you get it? Super Taco Tuesday. The whole neighborhood has to know that it's a great Taco Tuesday. Look at that little puppy, it's so cool. Anyhow.
Christina stepped on a puppy at a Taco Tuesday.
Yeah, she stepped on a puppy, can you believe
I
that?
feel so bad.
No, that's really bad.
But the
Really.
it's like it was a crowded bar. Also, I want everyone to know Theo wasn't drunk at all. He has only had one beer.
Oh yeah, I know. This is like, I roll.
He's just really excited because a girl was flirting with him.
They're
at the
flirting with me. I mean, it wasn't that hot like Christina is, but you know, a flirt is a flirt. So this is what Christina says. Christina says that she, like, the guy was serving something and like a little foam kind of like spilled, and the girl grabbed the foam like that and looked at me and like, I didn't even see it, and Christina was laughing about it. I'm sorry, girl, if you are watching this. I really don't realize when people flirt with me. Maybe I did something that made you think that I was flirting with you, but actually I'm just looking for friends. Anyhow, if you see us again, be our friend. Really cool friends. I promise you will not be disappointed.
Yeah, I don't think I want to be your friend.